trying not to fall in, you guys. Hey, welcome back like I never left. If you're looking for something interesting, then you are in the right place. Go ahead and throw your thumbs up on the video and subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. And today, I'm coming back with another little vlog, you guys. We don't usually do much but work, so I've been kind of holding out on the vlogs, but we are gonna, the bugs, you guys. We are gonna be doing a couple things today, so I don't know how long the vlog is gonna be, not sure what's gonna be in it, but I'm gonna kind of take you guys with us as we kind of do our day. We are out and about. It is a beautiful day here. The train is gonna try to disrespect me. We're gonna go to a different farmer's market for sure, I know that. And oh, that train is gonna lock us in. Oh my gosh. We messed around, you guys, and got on the wrong side of the dang train. And now we are gonna get locked in while this train moves. Because I'm pretty sure that train's between us and the road, right? It's happening. I will turn it around though so you guys can see the train. But let's just say that this vlog, with the sound of the train, has officially begun, all right? Holy poo. Look at these, you guys. I keep running into these. What other one did we run into before? Was that the steak? But just so you guys know, these are not actually meat. This one's made with mushrooms, as is that one. So just keep that in mind, but don't they look real? Like that looks like a chicken cutlet, that looks like a pork cutlet, and that looks like a steak, but they're actually made from vegetables. I did a whole video on this in my shopping Saturday. I'll link it below.
The one that we popped into was
We popped into one before?
yeah, I'll do the top two.
No, I don't remember that. Oh, there's some of your German heritage right there, baby pants. Oh, those heirloom tomatoes are looking dang good. That's it. Morning, how are you?
I am almost awake.
There you go. Got some nice looking tomatoes. Our heirlooms came out really, really beautiful last year. So if you're short on time, nothing is better than a cold pasta salad. So I got myself a fat stack of ham here, all right? So that's what we've got. That's the dice. If you're out here making pasta salad and you didn't put any cheese in it, don't invite me to your house. I don't want it. You guys already know I'm here for the spice, right? I'm here for the spice. I came for the spice. I'm not here to play games. So I'm going in now with a couple of pieces of celery. Tiny little, cute little suckers. We've got our tomatoes. We've got our sweet peppers. We've got some celery. An absurd bowl. Oh Lord, is this gonna work? This is crazy. This is crazy. But it already looks good, right, you guys? Going in with my champagne vinaigrette on it. There's no way. Y'all, they're gonna be stuff all over my floor. This is gonna be a scene. Let me push it forward a little bit. So we're going in with the vinaigrette. So here we go. I'm going in. That's what we gotta do. I gotta be real ginger. You guys see the situation I'm dealing with here. What is happening? I'm trying to look at y'all. I'm out here disrespecting myself. Now that's what it looks like all together. My plan is to get a little bit of everything. So that's the bite I'm trying to take. So good. So good. Wow. Okay, you guys, say hello to our groundhog friend, Felix. He's one of the critters in our wonderful backyard forest. And if you guys aren't aware, we do a live critter cam every Thursday that we can, where we feed the animals in the forest delicious snacks, okay? If you guys have not seen it, it is a very good time, and you should make sure to catch the next one. Check this out, you guys. You guys seeing this? Our chilies are starting to come in. Yeah. And we've got some flowers, which means we're gonna get some more chilies. That is so beautiful. And then here's how this plant is going. And then here's these guys over here. These are looking really, really good, you guys. I'm very, very excited that we're already getting something really nice and beautiful. Let me know in the comments how you guys' chilies and your garden is going so far. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is such a freaking beautiful day out here. It is in the morning. I had to bust over to the Dollar Tree for a video I am doing on my other channel. And if you guys have not already checked out my DIY channel, make sure to do it. It's BOK Media Life. And I will link it below. But if you like to see the stuff that I make, that's where to come and find me. My allergies are on and popping. As you can tell, they will be that way all year. But I'm having a good day so far, you guys. I hope you guys are too. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. Not sure I'm going to do one every single week, but I am going to mix them in because you guys really seem to like them. And I do like doing them. And I hope that you guys enjoyed spending a little time with us, right? We had a good time. But definitely make sure to comment below what your favorite part of the vlog was. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.